everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to share TikTok video on Facebook story. To do that, you need to open the TikTok account first, that is open the TikTok application first. Now once you open the TikTok, you find the TikTok video that you want to share on your Facebook story. Now this is the TikTok video that I want to share on my story of Facebook, and you need to download this video. Tap on save video. The video has been downloaded. Now all you need to do is go to your Facebook, open the Facebook application, tap upon Facebook application. Once you're at this page, you tap on create story. Now here you will have that video that you have just downloaded. You tap that, and from there you will be able to upload that video from your TikTok to your Facebook story. Now here you just tap on share, and that video will be easily added to your Facebook story right away. There you can see the uploading process. You can only share the TikTok video on Facebook story once after you download it. You cannot directly share it. And there you can see the video has been shared. So this is how you can share TikTok video to the Facebook story. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.